Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to screen mirror on iPhone iOS 18. Uh, Now iPhone has introduced a feature which you can use so that you can use the same screen as a mirror in another device. So if you want to use that, then what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So with the update of iOS 18, iOS has launched a function which called a screen mirror. So you can simply tap on control center and you can simply find that screen mirror icon here. So here you can simply find that. Now if you want to use that screen mirroring function, so what is the detail behind it? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that your device is compatible, which means many devices are not compatible to the screen mirroring. So you have to simply check for your Mac or iPhone device actually supports screen mirroring. The next you can do is you can simply connect to the same Wi-Fi network. You have to simply connect to both of the device, so your Mac or TV or any device to the same Wi-Fi. And the next is you have to simply access to the control center, and you can simply scroll it down until you find the option of screen mirroring, and after that you have to turn on AirPlay on your device. So after opening control, you have to simply click on screen mirroring, and after that that option is available. So you can simply select your TV and device you want to connect. So here it will be shown, and after that you will be able to screen mirror your screen. Now if you want to stop mirroring, and you have to simply go to control center and tap on screen mirroring again option, and your mirroring screen will be turned off. So if you want to maximize your display with your Mac, then you have to simply use screen mirroring, and after that you can simply use screen mirroring on a big screen. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.